Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is what's your name? Yeah.
What's so funny?
No, because I'm trying to speak English and you're speaking in Mizo. What? What happened now? This Mizo girl become American and then this American girl become Mizo or what?
Yes.
Yeah,
Don't like
today
that little pinky, do you?
Ashley's gonna do nail for my mother. Why I'm like my yeah. Mom is right now like a princess. It's hard to have a show and then doing nail because if you have only two eyes, so.
If you sit here, you can use my phone.
This is Ashley. Say hi.
Hi. Stay right here.
Look at her hair. It's
And
beautiful.
he did say no, but you're right next to me. Don't leave my
Blue
side.
and pink. So blue and pink.
They're different.
The nail polish.
How do you, Mom? What? I took something?
Yes.
The nail polish. Oh my god. Am I? Okay, here. What color? Kanu nail ti dona. What did you call this one? Color. Quick, fast dry nail color pen. Antia. Hey, these are hang he
Color stone.
me lang mizoram na chonin.
Stone. It's a brick.
Stone.
Yeah, stone. Like the color pen
Brick.
stone.
Brick color.
So hey kan makanti don nilaw and oh, let's push.
Push. Pray until something happens. Oh, I can't. I don't have one. I don't remember it.
What color is that now? Mom, can you please switch on this one so yeah. On the camera it looks orange, but in the real it looks nude.
Well,
I like
first
it.
coat, the
Yeah, in the
second coat
camera,
will be
no.
better.
Maybe because of my camera settings. Accidentally sak make anymore. Nice. Camera hen along lang dak aron alang dang de ataka chuan arong hin nude color in mo.
Yeah, dude, Tom's just the way to go.
No, I was telling them that in camera it looks orange, but in the real it's like it looks like natural, like nude color. I'm gonna check it out for me. So once you do mine, I will videotape too. Katati huna karon videotape ang kay color dang kavalang. Oh, let me go take the other color and we can show them. You know. Me song games kailan boy Eli. Hey, look at this side. Eli pon games rungot ang ito. Hey, only thinking games. Kapala hey games sa kelbo. Kalal sa wala games hey zone la games ni lang kaya game station kay hey ni rungot may ni ang boy from crop. Hey, ito siyang anong lenaw pang ho ito tiyan mo. Cookies de chuanin heta cookies dang le chuan seven nei noi lo ni chu. I don't really like this kind of junk food, so heng te hinia chu heta drinks de ikhan an le to vitan chu ma se ke ma hen chips ti te ngai na lo sim sima bang ke lo ta mo chu wang ke ma chu pron lang ve chu ka chaw lo to kan min kan thing thor kan sofan norvel khan en ka dar te na mo.
And on the dresser that's on the wall right there, there's a pink bottle of lotion.
Then get off.
Thank you.
It's not fair for you to get to play and then not.
Hey kan nu lem le her khan ya.
Dan is getting spoiled by Ashley.
It's very nice though.
I like the color. Ashley doesn't know
What this is really
herself
inconvenient.
into. I did my nails today, Ashley. Bob picked them out.
Yeah.
You did a good job.
Yeah, I still did.
It dries fast.
A chips eh, felt lang no. Yeah, I think because you eat the crackers, because the black can catch many things like a dog hair, a cat hair, and everything, you know. I was telling how we spend our day. Voin chu kan nileng in hey nail kan boy puintan chu. Thank you, mom. Nail, let me see mom nails. Here. Yeah, it's beautiful. Mom has What color is this?
It is called brick.
Stone.
Stone.
Brickstone.
I probably will put one more coat on it and then put it clear.
And
then
now,
you get to do Ashley's.
hunan ka hunan kati hunan niya iyan now.
Right, look,
Zinga ka a blue color ka hnoy ka kan hnoy zo don ni mo. Kan boy le tas siya ka hnoy man talawa hay as kisung pui cho hnoy ko man ito. Ashley na a finish up don ni.
These are really kind of cute shorts. I kind of like those.
As gonna finish as.
Oh, don't hurt her foot.
As gonna finish as work.
Let her be Allie.
Sorry.
Who has my hair picked?
I bring because I thought maybe she'll need it.
Oh, to do your hair?
Yeah. We don't for into hey kasampo Viking braid ang braids ang kamos Viking pair ang style hanggang pair na Ashley may pair sa koni we will see how it looks. Okay. Ala Evie, look at me.
Are you
Hi.
able to watch?
Being really a big girl.
Yes, yes, she's. They hit that certain age and
They just grow up.
sorry, Ashley. Put you to work.
Oh, she's gonna walk more.
I just wanted my nails done.
She's gonna walk
And I know
more.
she or the girls would do them. Lily would have done them, but I don't want.
Hey, he in law helang pang kanu left side he in law no pang how ming zong zong Lily Evie. So an Ellie Eli niya tong brace ay asin at siya tak no teping ni dok nga. So an le lam here wak ta kay mani fa kan nei na. I anda be tung do ni kan fa teping mo. Once we have our kids, she's gonna put on her right side the kids name of ours, and then the other side is all John's kids name like Grace, Lily, Eli, Evie, and Ellie names is on. So the other side for us, it's reserved. So what's the meaning of push?
Pray until something happens.
Pray until something happens. Something.
I put that when I ended up with cancer.
Oh. Kanuin kumiya kudlem. Ada sanju kan sarabelaya adam chwale bangat yang ka danda mo kan tatu ni correcto. How old is your tattoo, mom?
Probably 10 years
Kumsom.
and 10 years.
10 years bebe. Ito na asam compare doon eh. And now Viking style, you know. Let's check it out.
Yeah.
We're not there yet.
It was
Doesn't
on
look
Daddy's
very
desk.
Viking right now.
This is a real Indian Viking.
Oh, I don't know, honey. Can I go pick up all the candy and let my dog out?
You guys need to pick it up. That's not Nana's job.
I don't mind picking it up. I just want my dog out. Because
Has no bottom. Go bottom. Go bottom.
Now, what you guys do to all my stuff? Everything is blown up.
my dog just stepped on my toes. And
Eli, there's a giant hole.
Yeah, that was just
what, baby? No, not right now. I'm trying to fix my toes. My dog just ruined your mom's dental.
What are my ducks doing down here?
Swimming.
Wow.
Nana just fixed them.
He
Go
threw
check
that
on
into
Scarlet.
me and it killed me.
Lily, go check on Scarlet.
It took away all my health, so I basically had no health for that fight.
Be careful of the cord,
I
baby.
gashed back and tried to go into my immortal.
No, Lily's on right now. got really good, strong hair.
She's killing me. I mean, my neck don't have a spot for laying down. Karing hinavek ni sinuko na mo maselutak na nuam kot me.
I also got tattoo wax, Ashley.
It's right here.
Thanks, Mom.
It'll hold. It's helmet head. I'll be your sprayer. Oh, sorry, baby. I'm sitting on your sheet. Hold on. Oh, there you go.
Itong process to, yun ang, ay, kan sa ukot to, damo, angel no niya, Sige lang.
There's no fish in there.
Hak, may dilaw siya.
I'm good at that. Like, not doing that part.
In a minute. You're
Easy
being a pain in my
concept,
butt.
If you see them rough, please pluck it. It's really itching my hair, I think.
Where's the other bed?
Hey, we can always
Okay, so how long do they show all this? Because we just saw all of this. I think I hit the wrong button.
Oh, you may have replayed it.
Oh. Hey, Tori, I think I accidentally hit replay.
We're taking things much slower than I used to.
What? You gotta unread it. See what? I don't know.
Look, our skin different.
That's going to be the absolute process. It's hard. And feelings.
We brought back our amazing visuals from the kickoff special to reflect upon what they previously thought about the couple and how their opinion might have changed now that they're halfway through the season. And trust me when I tell you, our opinions have changed. All right,
Alright, gotta have it sit up a little bit.
let's get right to the thing.
Hey,
Mom
it's
can no
teamwork
spray,
here.
Zilta. Mom will spray
I'm
again.
the sprayer.
You wouldn't know because you were asleep.
Yeah.
Chogal.
Then what do we say? And then we'll just spray it all.
I really am
May
fine
video
playing
wala
it.
lapok siya law. Wala mo hilay law lagi.
Depending on who I play, so if I have to play Titus, I can kill Facade.
Rang. Sapo yan, makveme.
I never get eaten by Stitches, so I'm okay. But yeah, let them play Chogal.
That did not work. I'm sorry, Ashley. I was trying out. Did not work.
Yeah, ban Anduin, that ulti is...
We don't have a stun to get it out.
Oh, you're not going to do that yet. Right, you're going to do it
Samtuak
after.
mo tan pot zero kasi alam ko law niya.
Here, I got bobby pins. Okay. Where did we put all those? Oh, in the bathroom. I found
I think in the bathroom you put
30
no.
bobby pins in the sofa.
Ang basta ito kalau mo heal charger. I was sleeping the whole time so law mo charger ta mo kaila ka mo siya ka kalau sa tani. So law mo heal bro ka mo swak. Nimin kan sofa if I will down in mo.
Like Erden?
Yes, as in Hindi sakto. Sira ka lang po may. Oh, I really love your hair color combination. Don't blush.
I'm not blushing.
Go.
Really? Look at me. Where's Nana? Hey Nana.
What?
I was sleeping.
Good. It'll be done quicker.
Yeah. Kalau mo hills are just that top ni chung sham. Mintu na kami. Oy ha, kamel said proof remove ka. You remove my ugly face proof like face mask.
Are you guys going to sleep?
Why? Mel said proof remove ka. An pun wrong in house ya, kisa pa wa ya hima.
I think I'm okay. for
Kalang
right now.
dum fa an naka cham min
I think it's
dum
okay for
ka ni
right
ro tin chu. Te ka tlek dan te.
You know where it goes.
Lay it down. I'm in the line. Laying
Mak
on
ang
the
hello
bed.
cream check
You
ang
need
hair.
to go to sleep.
Scarlett.
You're gonna ruin my stuff.
Ang pak
Come
mo
here,
tak
baby.
to ko may kampay. Nala tita pa
Evie's
dia
in her bed.
masinti
She's
mo.
kind of confused now.
Tong
Scarlett.
tay ito lo.
Come here, baby.
Nalo to.
There's no room for her. The kids
Hey
are
bek
stretched out.
khoi
all
phei
over.
chan na bi
She's
kan ni
kinda
chu mo.
confused.
Lo beng ching da wang hai no pang te kanom nai nai chu takara. Fen lo ri box ya e si chom thau nang in kan tam lu tok cha e si ha na vot zo lo ni chu.
You got spray bottles,
What?
sticks, glasses.
I think my
One's
ass
in her bed,
burning.
but Evie's in her
Yeah.
bed.
I mean like when you pull, that's how it
Hey,
feels.
babe, don't yell at Scarlett. She's
Ang
trying
naluto
to
ka.
find a place to lay.
I don't know which one is burning. Fight for Lalzawa my hair because this is his favorite Viking style. Anh navia mà sẽ Lalzawa tan cho anh cầm tiền mình không? Qua vàng cái ngà gì? Không. Bất nhị, bất thông thông.
Well, you gotta hold still.
What?
She's trying to get it through how it has to be.
Oh, this is a great stand.
Scarlett!
It's eating. Good. If you see white hair, pluck it because
I haven't seen any white hair.
I found a lot. We have
I mean, I believe.
you have a glass. Hey, let me see how it looks when you wear my glass. Can you wear for me? Aww. You look cute. Hey, unprocessed oh.
So that's safe. And your mom's 57 years.
My hair is a lot. Remember?
What? I don't know why it wasn't hurting me.
Get done with
Con dầu trap đó. Cái nào ăn dầu không nào con làm này con nè.
All right, I'm watching.
Không phải nó về. Stop making that face. Smile.
Just cactus son of a bitch.
How do you think they will handle the situation?
Be nice.
That was it. All you have to do is cap it.
Like Jake is very much committing to this, and Haley's just like, she's so used to.
Who's making horrible faces? Who is?
Maybe it's her turn.
I don't think so. She's laughing at it.
No, it's a little bit pain.
Good.
I know you tried to kill me. If you're angry at me, tell me.
You want me to tell you if I'm angry with you?
Yeah. I think you did that purpose.
She likes to video. Just give it to her.
I'm not. I really don't think Kaylee's as ready to change towards this man. As she thought she was. And she's very quick to revert it back.
Up here too.
That's all, man.
That's on.
I think
That's all followed up by sheep.
Sorry.
no, it's
Even
all.
sometimes you shoot first and then it's on. It's still just as good.
But it sticks to that. Lifestyle differences. All right, that's everyone. Even some of the
There's a ton of them, and I haven't looked out in this game. Why now? I mean, really? I can make a little toys now. But we can't eat them.
Lily helps your sister.
Okay, and then if I eat them,
John, what are you doing? John. John! What are you doing? Can you think you can help me?
I mean, I don't have any mine or pickaxe or anything,
Well,
but
you go to my place and make them. If you go to the top where you see the light, you'll see the entrance to my mine. If you come down, there's boxes in there with stuff in it.
how far away?
Right behind the house.
Right, but I just spawned into the game randomly.
now I can team them.
No, that's not the right braid.
I'm not going to
No, it is. It is.
I'm okay. What color are you on your map?
I don't know.
But you can make cake now.
But if you go up to the, you see where my house is?
Not yet, but I'm gonna find it.
Some of the kids haven't broken yet.
I need like one more bobby pin.
I hope you're not emptying all my boxes.
Mom,
Sure.
what should I do now?
She's putting it all together. Just hang on, hot lips. We're going to get you. Beautiful. We're so sorry you can't see it, but it's gorgeous.
Yeah, I can't see it. Hey, then so trip to
Scales.
So lang pang ano lem?
Turn into scales.
The place that you're at, are you up the stairs?
You go all the way up to the top behind the house.
Is that
Go
too
to the
much
top
on
of
you
the
guys?
hill.
Oh,
You open the gate is open.
How far are you away from the waterfall? I went up.
We're gonna be done.
sign in with me. It's on my
Ready?
And what's your Roblox password?
Lighthouse one, I do believe. If not,
Con dâu tổ đô nó còn mùng dâu ơi là mình ring back rồi ủa.
No, it failed.
We are about to finish. Get ready to see what it looks like.
oh no,
Hey,
I'm
ang
not
pang to di
premium.
top ini may ta.
Push all that down. So I sprayed it.
This dude doesn't like her.
Okay.
Did you
You gotta eat your pizza.
Did she have pizza?
Yeah, she's gotta play pizza.
Hand
then.
that
Go eat
banana.
your pizza.
Well, then you
Well,
don't
then you're
get
not
ice
gonna
cream.
get ice
Finish?
cream. Go eat one
Here?
piece.
What?
Show yours. Where's yours?
Yes, only one.
Chocolate ay kay strawberry.
Can't pull out.
Ice cream.
It's gone.
So good.
Ashley, where's her pizza?
Finally, it's done. Thank you, Ashley.
And your house is over here.
Thank you, Mom, for prayer. The next video akan mulai doon. Oh, bye bye. Oh,
Hold on. The creek
bye bye
is
ulit.
down here.